Hey, friends, I'm with Reysi from Florida at Wave Electronics. Reysi, what's up?
What's up, Chris? Thank you for giving me the time today to bring some attention to our barbecue coming up
Yeah.
May 29th, next week, Wednesday. We're going to have live music outside with our new Elura G8 Surface speakers. We're going to be talking about the whole entire commercial line, our green line now, as most dealers know. We have Elura blue, red, and black. We're going to talk about the differences between all the colors and the value adds from each one and how they can be used. We're going to have promos. We're going to have food, facito, very important in our market. We can't live without it. May 29th, it's going to be, we'll get started about 12 midday.
Do the dealers need to show up, or do they need to call in advance for a reserve a table?
Yeah, no table. This is like street food. Pop in, grab some food, walk around the branch. We'll talk about the speakers, demo them. We have the pendant set up in the warehouse. We have the AV rack with all the equipment to show dealers the Atlas IED product that we have there as well, how we're controlling everything, all the zones, and bring some value to dealers with a lot of great knowledge and product knowledge to get them going with a commercial line.
All right, man, sounds great. Now tell me about that funny coffee in the kitchen. What's happening there?
You gotta have if you're gonna drink that coffee, you gotta have your big boy pants on. We over here we call that Cuban crack. You gotta come prepared.
I think you have some other events coming up this month or into June, right?
We have June 12th. We have another barbecue, similar aspect. We're just going to talk about different products. We're going to talk about Illumivue, our racks, and power products from under the master brand label, which is all tied into a rewards program, Premier Rewards program. If dealers are not signed up, obviously we have a computer out front where we can sign them up immediately. And then June 26th, we have another one that's going to be based around video product from master brand standpoint. So link, HDMI, connecting cables, and we're going to do the exact same outfit, same barbecue, same idea with some promos, music, just with the different three categories. So we can cover everything under the master brand umbrella.
I got to get to Florida. Great. I'm glad that we got a chance to push this message out to the dealers. I'm sure that your dealers know how to get a hold of the branch, and I think that all of these dates have also been put on waveelectronics.com.
Yes, everything, all the dates are on the website on the events tab. They're also emailed to the dealers. We've already sent a group of emails. We have everything on the counter, so when dealers walk in, we have the signs up. And obviously, when we're on our sales calls, we're reminding dealers, bringing them in, bringing attention. So definitely can't go wrong with visiting our website and going to the events tab and seeing the list of dates there for sure.
All right, Reysi. Well, I won't get to come to Florida, so hey, at least virtual fist bump, right?